Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to use PayPal Credit in 2025. If you're looking to make your online shopping smoother and more rewarding, this is the guide for you. PayPal Credit is like a digital credit line that lets you buy now and pay later, with some cool updates for 2025, like enhanced security features and better rewards integration. First things first, let's talk about what you need to get started. You'll need a PayPal account, which is free and easy to set up if you don't have one already. Head over to the PayPal website or app, log in, and look for the PayPal Credit section in your account dashboard. If you're eligible, you can apply right there. It's a quick process that checks your credit history. Once approved, you'll see your credit limit and terms. Now, let's walk through using it for purchases. Imagine you're shopping on your favorite site. Just select PayPal as your payment method at checkout. Then, choose the PayPal Credit option. This will let you defer payments, often with zero interest if you pay off within the promotional period. For 2025, PayPal has rolled out smarter budgeting tools, so you can track your spending right in the app. To manage your PayPal Credit, log into your account and go to the Credit tab. Here, you can view your balance, make payments, and even set up autopay to avoid late fees. One tip: always pay on time to build your credit score and unlock rewards like cashback on eligible purchases. Remember, while PayPal Credit is convenient, use it responsibly to avoid debt, set limits for yourself and monitor your statements regularly. In 2025, you might also notice new features like AI-powered purchase suggestions based on your habits. That's a game changer. If you run into any issues, PayPal's support is top-notch with 24/7 chat. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.